In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank details on Zoho Invoice. Whether you've opened a new bank account or need to update existing details, I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring your invoices reflect the right information. Let's start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Head over to the Zoho Books website or app, and once you're there, simply enter your credentials to access the dashboard. It's important to be on the home page to navigate smoothly through the next steps. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon. This represents settings. You'll typically find it in the upper right corner of your screen. Give it a click and you'll open up a variety of options that allow you to customize and manage different aspects of your Zoho settings. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll want to head to the customization section. This area provides you with customization options for your invoices and other documents. Click on it and you'll be taken to a screen with a range of templates and settings. Now focus your attention on the PDF templates option. Click on this and it will direct you to where your invoice templates are kept. This is the key area where you'll be able to make changes to the bank details on your invoices. Next, you'll see a list of templates available to you. Pick the invoice template you typically use by clicking on Edit. This action allows you to modify various components of the template to suit your needs. Once you are in the editing mode, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Other Details. This is where you'll find options to add or update bank details pertinent to your business. In the Other Details section, locate where it says Add Your Bank Details. Click on this and you'll be prompted to either input new bank details or modify existing ones. Make sure that the information you enter is accurate, as any errors could affect your transactions. After updating your bank details, it's a good idea to preview the changes you've made. Click on the preview button to see how your new bank details will appear on the invoice. This step is crucial as it allows you to spot any mistakes before finalizing the template. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click on Save. This will ensure that all the changes you made are stored in the system, and your invoices will now reflect the updated bank details. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your bank details on Zoho Invoice. By following these steps, you can ensure a seamless and stress-free experience with your invoicing process. Thank you for tuning in and make sure to watch our other tutorials for more helpful tips.